Next up, let's take a look at histograms. A histogram looks like a bar graph, but the bars have no gaps between them. It's used for continuous data like height or age ranges. Here's a quick example showcasing the different CCAs students in a school take. Using the vertical axis, we can see that the number of students who take tennis, soccer, rugby, and hockey is 4, 9, 2, and 7 respectively. Let's now express the number of students who take tennis as a percentage of the total number of students. In order to do so, we'll first find the total number of students in all 4 CCAs, which is 4 plus 9 plus 2 plus 7, to give us 22. After that, we recall that the number of students who take tennis is 4. Therefore, we do percentage is number of students who take tennis divided by the number of students in total times 100% to give us 18.2%.
Smash your maths exams. Download Learn Maths Today for real exam questions and achieve top marks.